This is 96 packs right here, guys, to the board. 96 packs to our 305 brings us to 401 packs. 401 packs, guys, out of 680. Edwin, thanks for doing it. All right, let's go. Let's get to ripping. After this, I got Edwin's packs in there too. So I'll take a count after. All right. Should we shuffle all this up? See, let me let's break up the big boys first. This is about 96. This is 96 packs, guys. That we're about to rip. I'm gonna put a message on Discord as well for you. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Oh, you can't do it. I actually got to get more mods in there. I think it's just for me. All right, let me just tag everybody on Discord so they can join in too. All right, let's go. 96 packs. And nobody can even see the first place. Cardboard, you ready? Let's do this, bro. 96 packs of Stellar Crown. All he's missing for an Evolving Skies ETB is he hit the Squirtle yesterday. He's missing Bulbasaur and Terapicos, and he wins a free Evolving Skies ETB. Let's go. Good luck. And he's stacking on value for King of Therapy as well. Shiny, how it works is you go under the first two listings in my shop. You can buy any of the packs, any of the booster bundles, anything you guys want. And you get to keep everything. But if you manage to hit any SIRs, rainbows, golds, or alt arts, your value according to TCG gets recorded and put on the board. And you keep stacking on your values every time you hit one of those until the round is over. This specific game for these cards are done at 680 packs. After this order, we're at 401 packs. So It is anybody's game. Cardboard is leading in first place right now with $64 of value, but he's obviously trying to tack on more value right now. Second place is at $51.91 for comedy, and third place is at $50.01. Literally a difference of $1 between second and third, but still very doable for anybody who joins in. Good luck, guys. Let's go. 96 pack rip. Come on. Let's hit it. Bulbasaur and Terapicos. That's the two big cards we're looking for his Evolving Skies bounty. But for King of Therapy, he's looking for any SIRs, rainbows. Obviously, this set doesn't have any rainbows, but any SIRs, rainbows, golds, or alt arts. So for this specific set, he's just looking for golds or SIRs. Those are the only things that will count as value for the board. I made an exception just for cardboard because he's been going so crazy. So I did offer it yesterday to him to do it again for today because he wanted to rip some of the booster bundles. So I only for him I let him have one exception. Only because he pulled one and he's been ripping like crazy. So I'm giving him a second chance. So let's go, Squirtle! Illustration rare. Back-to-back days. Let's get it. Michaela, your favorite little turtle. But he doesn't need this one. That's his second one now. That's the one card we didn't need. He hit one yesterday. He needs Bulbasaur or Terapagos. That's the two he's looking for. Nice little Squirtle right there. Come on. These are from the booster bundles too. We haven't even done his booster box. He got 2 booster boxes and 4 booster bundles. That was literally from a booster bundle. This card's like, what, $40 right now? It's like 40, 50 bucks. Dude, how crazy would it be if you pull all 3, you win the Garatina because you're leading in first, and then we rip your Evolving Skies and hit a Moonbreon? How crazy would that be? Come on. I could, with Cardboard's luck, I could see it. He literally won the Gengar last King of Therapy. He's trying to win again. I'm happy you hit the Squirtle. That's the number 2 chase. Number 2 chase, guys. But he needs the Bulbasaur. Right now, in terms of value for the board, he's sitting at $60. $64. Everybody's neck and neck. Second place is at $52. Third place is at $50. Everybody's like literally neck and neck right now. He needs the Bulbasaur and the Terapagos. He might actually do it in one stream. He didn't even need my extra offer from yesterday. He hit Squirtle yesterday, so I offered it to him again. He might not even need it. Cinderace EX. Let's go. I'm hoping he hits an SIR as well. So far, that Squirtle doesn't count as value for the board. He needs an SIR or a gold right now for the board. Remember, the game ends at 680 packs, guys. So get in there while you can. It's still anybody's game. Hey, we got a Slowpoke, Jirachi, and a Lapras EX Full Art. Look at the Terra. $96 pack rip. He bought 2 booster boxes and a couple booster bundles. We just pulled the squirrel from one of the booster bundles. Lucario EX. Let's go. Michaela, which ones were you missing from the set? I know you were missing a little bit. Grimmsnarl, Bouffalant. Come on. Noctowl, Veluza, Radiant. I didn't Lileep, Archuludon, and Crabominal IRs. We still have more booster boxes, guys. Even outside of this. I think I have another 3-4 booster boxes. As well as the booster bundles. If anybody wants more Stellar after this. Gavantula SIR, Hydrapple SIR, and the Gold Terra. Both my Hydrapples came back PSA 10s, and I sold them both before. We haven't hit Terapicos yet. He just hit the Squirtle. He hit Squirtle yesterday, and he hit it again today. We're looking for Terapicos and Bulbasaur. If he hits all 3, he's going to win an Evolving Skies ETB. Not only that, he did it for King of Therapy, so he's smart. He's adding value for the board on top of winning a bounty too. That is the way you do it, guys. Yeah, we still have a long way to go, so I'm hoping there's a Terapicos in here. There has to be. Alcremie, Melt Metal. Lapras does not count. Only SIRs or gold specifically in this set. So illustration rares don't count. Pangoro, Archuludon. I forgot what the Archuludon looks like. Illustration rare? I keep remembering the one from Surging Sparks. Low Tick, Cradominal, and a Noctowl. Couple of reverses. Yeah, I'll take a look. It's just been busy. The Lacey full art. Let's go. She's a very for a full art. This is really nice. Very pretty artwork. I think these are your this is your last one from the booster bundles. The rest is all from booster boxes. So we will see if we can hit a Terapicos. Briar. Meta Knight. Let's go. Illustration rare. I think you pulled one yesterday too. Look at him just chilling in the tree. God, let's do your whole right side. So cute. Yeah, I feel like all the ladies love Stellar Crown because it is the cutie set. Talonflame, Orca Berry. I pulled that one on the very first ever Stellar Crown pack. Let's go. Very nice card too. I love the artwork, honestly, from the set. You want the Bulbasaur? Hey, we got plenty of Stellar Crown. Really affordable price as well. I believe we just have one other person after this rip in the queue. Celebi. Lapras EX. Jacob, thank you for the follow. Thanks for helping me reach 2K, guys. We are on the quest to get to 5K. Sparkling Crystal, Zeraora, and an Iron Boulder. Do you guys think we can do it? Can we hit Eevee? Predominable. Let's go. Illustration rare. I think that was one of the ones you wanted, right, Michaela? Predominable. Let's go. Look at this snowy giant. Some of the best artworks. Could you imagine if they had put that Greninja promo from... where's that promo from? Is that the Stellar Crown promo? Or the Shrouded Fable promo? If they had just put that into this set, this would have been such a cool set. Ortho Worm. You fall in love with a new card every day. What is today's card, Nessa? The one I just pulled is the one you're missing? It is a nice card. I remember you saying it. Predominable. You needed. The Frosty the Snowman. You want him? Lydian. Clink Clink. Rhyperior. Sorry, guys. It's the same as my wife. In 1 year, out the other. That's exactly what I do. She's probably listening right now. Fletchender, Rapidash, Alcremie. I understand some of the emojis, but when you do like Thunderbolt with the spider, and I'm like, what? What is that? Huh? Diancie, Chinchou, Dreadnought. Jerry. What's up, man? Just a 96-pack rip of Stellar Crown. Trying to find Bulbasaur. Almost got caught at work. Dude, why didn't you get caught? If you really loved me in my streams, you would have got caught. Lightning bolt killing a spider. I don't know. Did Zeus come? Another Lacey. Let's go. Did Zeus come and land and he killed a spider? Electric spider. Oh, you want the Joltik. Oh, I got it. The Joltik. I think that's Spider-Man. Yo, it might be Electric Spider-Man. New Marvel idea. Tony Parker. Oh, I didn't see the SIR. See, this is what I talk about. In 1 year, out the other. Hydrapple EX. Tony Parker is a basketball player? No way. I heard he's a superhero too. Fletchling, Score Bunny, Clink Clink. Clink Clink. Yo, I don't know what that peach symbol, that apple symbol means, but I don't know, Michaela. I don't know. Dreadnought, Raging Bolt. Tony Parker is not a superhero. Yes, he is. Tony Parker. The son of Peter Parker. Fan Rotom, Sandalit, Ladian. Hijole. Is that Spanish? I don't even know. Is that something I can even say? Metachan, Melt Metal, Iron Boulder. Where's this stinking Bulbasaur? I need this Bulbasaur. Yes, it's Spanish. No hablo español. It's funny. I took Spanish in high school for literally 3 years, and the best I learned was Cueto de El Baño. Let's go! We hit the Electric Spider SIR. Okay, not really the SIR, but it's what Michaela kind of wanted. Kinda. She wanted the Evolve version. But we got the Joltik. The Joltik illustration rare. Poketherapy is definitely bilingual. 4 words of bilingualness. That's the baby spider. Michaela, you and I both know, if that thing was here in real life, you'd be trying to squash it with your feet or running away. Any girl I've ever known in my life has literally run away from every spider. But you don't know Spanish. No, I know Spanish. I listen to Bad Bunny. Riolu, Electivire, or Chuladon. But snakes can leave. Grubbin, Melt Metal, Corradily. I think that's the name. Let's see who is next. TT me pregunta, Mr. Calvin. Okay, never doubt me again. TT me pregunta. Okay, ask me a question. Okay. Snakes are pretty scary. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a big fan of snakes either. But it's not like I see them very often, so I don't have those problems. The Blasty Baby EX, the giant turtle. TT McPrugunto. Yeah, that's what I just said. TT. Isn't that like someone's aunt or something? The Grand Tree. Clink. Alcremie. You ever wonder why this guy is very creamy? Just food for thought. Just think about it. How did he get so creamy? Chris. Mr. Christopher, what's up, man? This is 2 cards? 1, 2, 3. We're doing a 96-pack rip for cardboard. He hit another Squirtle. He's looking for Bulbasaur or Terapagos right now, so he can win that Evolving Skies ETB for me. It is pronounced Digi Wait. Me un pregunto. Dig me un pregunto. This is family friendly stream. This is Poke Therapy After Dark. Al Creamy, Palmy, Grim Snarl. Come on! No, it's dark by me. I have my sunglasses on. Everything's dark. 24 hours a day. Lilith, Sasso, Buffalon. Honestly, I would love Spanish classes again. It's 5 p.m.? Oh. That's like dark somewhere in the world, right? Please, teach me Spanish. We're going to have a whole Spanish session. Really family friendly. Teaching everyone multi-languages for the kids. No, wow, we got Kelvin in there too now. The guy who can't even speak Spanish. How about I teach you guys English? How about that? Is that a proper trade? No, I don't think I can say it. Mikhail's going to get me in trouble. I don't want to say something. How many people in here can actually speak Spanish? The Venusaur EX. Is that a precursor to the Bulbasaur that's coming? Kelvin, get out of here. Your literally profile pic is not a Spanish guy. Frank, you speak Spanish? Mr. Royale? The Bulbasaur has been hit. Let's go. Woo! One more away for an Evolving Skies ETB. We just need Terapagos now. 2 out of 3 accomplished. All he's missing is literally the Terapagos now. Let me just mark that down. He has the crazy part is he has not hit anything for the board yet. He has not hit anything for the board yet, which is crazy. But he's hit some crazy illustration rares. He's hit Bulbasaur now, and now he's got the Squirtle. Squirtle and Bulbasaur. He's one away. Yo, Cardboard, we might be able to sequentially grade it if they're both good too. Because I know you had another Squirtle yesterday. So we'll look at all of that after. We could potentially sequential grade it for you. That's a big W. Mira que bueno. That means your day is going good. And it's because of Poke Therapy. So please give me a follow. Thank you. Pokemon Center Mander? What's a Mander? Oh, Charmander. I was like, what's a Mander? Lapras EX Full Art. Another one. Dude, I need a Pokemon Center Charmander for my collection. I have some Obsidian Flames Pokemon Center boost ETBs I kept sealed in my collection. But I don't have any of the... I wanted that card in a 10 for myself. It goes for 1.7, I think, now. It's crazy. He's missing one more. He's got the Bulbasaur. He's got the Squirtle. He might do it in one stream, guys. One stream, chat. He just needs the Terapagos left to complete the trio and win an Evolving Skies ETB. Can he do it? A Pokemon abbreviation lesson. This is Metal Gears. Hollow. What's a mander? I was like, what? What's a mander? We got some kind of flower, some icy thing, and that is a long neck giraffe with a lightning bolt. Hollow. Imagine this is how I say all my cards. Next, we got a raging, mean-looking bull. We got a Kelvin. Oh, we got a Hydrapple EX. Michaela unlocked. Let's go. Are you trying to do any master sets? I've done 2 master sets, and I told myself I'm never going to do it again. I did a master set for Twilight, and I did a master set for 151. It's just so expensive, and like, personally, if you get a good card and it's gradable, I don't like the fact that I have to keep it in my collection rather than just like sending it off for grading. Another thing I don't like, I could just get a bad copy of it and put it into the binder, but that's so much extra effort. I don't got it. Lydian. That's the apple. But it's not the SIR. The full art. That's Michaela unlocked. If you guys had to pick a Pokemon that describes you, what would that Pokemon be? Put it in the chat, guys. I'm curious. Applin. Pick one Pokemon that describes you. Is it something cute? Is it Snorlax because you like to eat? Is it Sunflora because you just like being in the sun? What describes you guys? Big Man Blastoise. Big Man Blastoise. That's a good one. Use Hydro Pump on me. Maybe Fuecoco. Fuecoco? That's a really cute one. I actually really like that card. He's like adorably cute while doing all the bad things. Yeah, no longer Blastoise. Don't worry, whatever you pick, I'll find a way to ruin it for you. Electrode because I like to smile all the time, or I'll self-destruct. That's a good one. Lucario because you've had to catch these hands. Ah, no, chat, save me. Maybe I should be Mr. Mime and not talk. Or, if you guys really want, what can I be? I could be like I could be like a Rayquaza. Fly around. The big bad bully on the block. I could do it. I feel like I'd be in a Rayquaza. Causing chaos. Saving the peace. Come on, we're missing Terapagos. That's all we need. Deluxe Bomb, Ponyta. Michaela wants to fight me now. Let's get to 20K, guys. Let's go. Let's run another Gibby for you guys. Bouffalant. Another stinking Lapras EX. That's what you get for wanting to fight me earlier. Give me another fighting Pokemon so I can fight her. I'll be Hitmonchamp. Pow. Comfy, Charcadet, Grimmsnarl. Anybody else want to be a Pokemon? If you could pick one, what would it be? Geodude. I was thinking of Geodude. Geodude. Raboot. Let's go. My favorite little soccer player. Nice little hit. This is a really sick card. This should go up in value over time. Lechonk. She isn't called Killer for no reason. Mikilla. Psyduck, save me. Crispin and a Greninja EX. Your mountain of bulk is growing. So if I could be a Pokemon trainer in real life, I would love that. Could you imagine that world? If we could actually catch Pokemon? Hits only? You let me know, bro. I'll make it work. Because you got a stack of hits coming your way. If anything, I can make reverse and up work. It doesn't matter. I can make anything work. Whatever you guys want. Mo Rodom, Brevaroom, Melt Metal. Some people would get all the shinies. Do you think we'd actually have a Team Rocket in the world? Like someone just like causing all this destruction with Pokemon. You just see like a Tyranitar using Hyper Beam and blowing up a bank. Like what would you guys see? Would you guys be a villain or a hero? Both. Yeah, you best believe I'm catching a Rayquaza, and I'm coming for Nessa and Mikilla. Full Links, Luminion, and Clink Clank. I'll be soaring right in the sky. Hyper Beam. What are the guidelines on TikTok? Pretty much you could say whatever you want, as long as it's PG. Kinda. Try it out. See if you get banned. Toad Scroll, Clank, Raging Bolt. No, but seriously, try to keep it family friendly. We try to keep it fun. Nothing too obnoxious, racist, you know. I don't really talk politics here. We just have a fun time here. We chill. You're going to ask for mercy? We got the Kofu. Kelvin, it's you. We got the Kofu. This is Blastoise in human form. Look at it. He even has the blue apron. This is literally Blastoise in human form. Hey, you brought it up, not me. That's the second time I said a card was me. You said you didn't want to be Blastoise. I'm giving you something else. Didn't we say it's Poke Therapy after dark? Eldegoss, Duraludon, Archulidon. Come on! Where's this Terapagos, bro? I mean, I'm happy you hit another Squirtle. But I really want an SIR at least for the board. Like, not even one SIR yet. Rhydon, Swalot. But we did hit SIR yesterday, right? We hit the that Dash Bun. Are you taking music requests? I don't know. Is it going to be Bad Bunny? Tornadus, Melt Metal, and a Dash Bun EX. I did say try to keep it PG. PG is within guidelines. The Dash Brown was the big one. Actually, technically, the Squirtle was the big one. But we'll take that. Until you learn Spanish properly, no. Okay, so then we'll play... We'll find something else. All right, you guys listen to Dochi. This is all that's trending on my TikTok now. What do you guys want to hear? Birds of a feather flock together? What do you guys want to hear? All right, put me in the mood, Billie Eilish. Let's go. Let's pull that Terapagos. These packs are giving you anxiety. Honestly, it hasn't been bad. It just sucks. You haven't pulled an SIR for the board. The Ansei Azumarill. This was 96 pack rip. Dochi's canceled. Put someone else. Don't worry, I canceled it. I put someone a little better. Billie Eilish. Hoot hoot. Stick together and we... Forever. Archaludon illustration rare. Let's go. Another one Michaela needed that she can't have. Hey. Looky but no touchy. Sorry, I can't hit those notes. Let's go. Another one. I also just need Iron Bundle reverse and Papaya Berry reverse. Oh man, this is a lot of bulk. If you see it, let me know. I'll take it out. Sierra Aura. Koraidon. Jirachi. Iron Boulder. We're getting to the very end. Come on. We need it. We need a Terapagos. With all the smoke he's catching. Grim Snarl. Tiz. What's up, Tiz? Slowpoke. Zero Aura. And a Rhyperior. The bulk is growing even more. I'm praying I don't knock it over. Woo! Fletchender. Frogadier. Melt Metal EX. Come on, give me an SIR for the board. I didn't do it. Blame Pokemon Center International. I'm just the Ripper. Gavantula EX. Hey, he hit Bulbasaur and Squirtle, okay? On any good day, that's great. I'm going to play Subnautica. Let's go. Teddy Swims time. Change up the mood a little, guys. Sparkling Crystal. Terapagos EXSIR! Let's go! Evolving Skies ETB win for him. He pulled all three, guys. All three. Squirtle, Bulbasaur, and the Terapagos to win an Evolving Skies ETB. Let's go, guys. Dude. That was poetry in motion. Let's go. He literally mastered the set right here. I told you, play some Teddy Swims, and we gonna summon him. 100. I forgot he finally hit an SIR. 138 for the first place prize. Let's go. Let's go, cardboard. Should I go find a Leviathan? Hey, we still got more booster boxes, and we still have more booster bundles. And guys, he's only at 138. Charizard overtakes him. A bunch of cards can overtake that. With still, what? The game ends at 680, so 279 packs still left in the battle. I lose kind. Let's go, bro. You hit all in one order, too. I love to see it. You hit all three in one order. So we didn't even need what we did yesterday. Let's go, man. What is your next chase cardboard? What can I pull for you next? What set? And you let me know. Dude, I tell you, if you ever did a 100-pack 151 rip with me, we are going to pull so many Zards. We are going to pull so many Zards for you. He just hit all three. Terapagos, Bulbasaur, and a Squirtle. And he hit a Squirtle yesterday as well. All in one order. 96 packs right here, guys. Metachamp. Oh, that is a good question. Did you want it sealed? Do you want me to send it sealed, or do you want to rip it? Evolving Skies. 8 packs. It's free no matter what. Grimmsnarl. Ladiant. What is this? It's not the vibes right now. We finally finished. Look at your mountain. Your mountain of bulk. Look at this thing. Let's give you the Stellar Crown cards that Michaela needs. All right, Michaela. Why? Chew, welcome in, bro. 96. He just hit all three. Let's go through all his hits. 96 pack order right here of Stellar Crown. Too many to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Twenty-one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. 34 hits in 96 packs. That's pretty good rate, honestly. We got the Terapagos. We got some IRs, the Reboot, Hydrapple. We got the Bulbasaur, and we got the Squirtle, Joltik, Lacy, Crabominal, Metadite, and another Lacy. Let's go. He hit it in one order, guys. One order, he hit all three bangers. Number 1, number 2, and number 3 chase. I would give you the 5 packs, but because I ripped the 5 before because I thought it was Squirtle, I already did it technically. Do you ship sealed by any chance? I do ship sealed now. So if you ordered in my shop, I will send it sealed if you want it. I love this fam too, Michaela. This is so much fun. Yeah, which ones did you need? I know you wrote it in my Discord message, but let me know which ones you need out of these. Bulbasaur, Terapagos, cardboard. We gotta see if this is sequentially gradable. It's a little right heavy. Dude, the back is so clean. But it's a little left heavy on the back, right? What do you think, cardboard? Yay or nay? but it's so clean. I don't know. It's definitely left heavy though. So not worth grading, right? The Bulbasaur. I want it to be sick. Oh, the other Squirtle? Let me check. Because you pulled the Squirtle yesterday too. Let me check. I gotta find out which one it is. Alright, let's see. This was your other Squirtle yesterday. Ugh. Sorry. It'll be the Arch and the... Okay, let me just do that first for you. So you want Archaludon and the Ice Guy Predominal. Just those two, right? That's going to Michaela. Put it on the side. Yeah, I know they changed it. But since he had another Squirtle... Wait, was it this one or this one? I'll check both. This is the first one. What do you think? This one is better centering. I don't really see whitening. There's a little dot in the corner. But other than that, this looks beautiful. If you want to give this one a shot. I would, Frank, only... But I ripped him 5 packs fulling Squirtle yesterday. And I thought this was the number 1 chase already. So I already did his 5 packs technically. So technically this is gradable. The Bulbasaur looks very clean as well. So we could try to sequentially grade this if you want to. These two. Or we can wait to get a Charmander and try to do all 3 at once. It's a... I would still... yeah, it's a smudge, but I would give it a chance. I don't know. Surging booster boxes, I will double check for you. I think we got cleaned out of our booster boxes. We still have booster bundles. Doesn't have to be a Pokemon Center one. So I'll keep these 2 on hold for you. This is obviously the other one. And let's see how Terapagos is. I don't know if you would want to grade this. Because there's no... Dude, this is clean too. Super clean. Do you want... let me know if you want this one. It's a tad right heavy, but I think it might still pass. So if you want to send this as well to grading, let me know. Because this one is still like over 100 or 200, I think, in a 10. But this one looks clean as well. Crazy. Look at this. 2 Squirtles and a Bulbasaur. To go to his other stack. In a 10, that's 240. Yep. Let's grade it. All right, let me take... So I'm going to leave you these 2. I'm going to leave you the 2 Squirtles and the Bulbasaur. Only because we don't have Charmander. I'm going to keep it in here. Did you say you want all your bulk, or did you just want reversing up? Yeah, I would grade anything that is gradable, potentially. Because even some of the other IRs go for quite a bit. I almost don't even want the reverse. Like, I do want to master set this. I don't know. I'll just send you a list of reverses. So you can decide for yourself what you want. That's why I stopped master setting. Like I said, it is just so much work, and 90% of the money from master setting is literally from your illustration rares, your full arts, and your SIRs. The promos that you collect, that's where the bulk of the money is anyways. That personally, I just don't find the appeal of collecting every common, every reverse. Too time constraints. Yeah, rest of it is just bulk. That's what I'm saying. It's to me, it's just not worth it. I don't know, but it is. I always leave it up to you. Yeah, he hit all top three. He hit all top three, so he got an Evolving Skies ETB. Your mountain of bulk is coming down, bro. You know, I'll keep all the reverses stuff. I'll just take the, you know what? Keep the reverses and stuff. I just take the hits. At this point, these are all the reverses and stuff. So I'll just send that out. The bulk I'll take away for you. So you can decide later if you don't want it. Bulk is not the fun. I don't enjoy bulk at all. What's the top three? I will tell you. Let me just settle in right now, and I'll tell you in about 1 minute. Let me just put all this stuff away. So I will send out that Teropicals for grading for you. Thanks again, Nick. Mr. Cardboard, let's go. Your mountain of hits. And then Michaela, I got you with these two. And then Teropicals going for grading. Let's go.